Imagine you've been accused of a crime. At your jury trial, the prosecution offers not only evidence of the specific crime of which you're charged, but also evidence about other behavior that allegedly shows a general criminal propensity on your part. Can the prosecution rely on that other evidence to secure a conviction? The New York Court of Appeals addressed this issue in People v. Zackowitz. Joseph Zackowitz and his wife Irene were walking home after attending a dance. Joseph was intoxicated from heavy drinking and briefly left Irene to buy a newspaper. While Joseph was gone, 4 men on the street offered Irene money for sex. Joseph didn't hear what the men said. Irene was in tears when Joseph caught up with her. She told him that the men had insulted her but offered no specifics. Joseph cursed at the men. When Joseph and Irene arrived home, Irene told Joseph specifically what the men had said. Enraged and still intoxicated, Joseph went back to the 4 men. A fight ensued, and Joseph ended up fatally shooting Frank Coppola with a .25 caliber pistol after Coppola came at Joseph with a wrench. Joseph was arrested and charged with first-degree murder. At his jury trial, the only disputed issue was Zackowitz's mental state at the time he killed Coppola. If the jury found that he shot Coppola in a premeditated manner, then Zackowitz was guilty of murder. But if the jury found that he killed in the heat of passion, then he was only guilty of manslaughter. The prosecution introduced evidence that Zackowitz possessed 3 other pistols of different calibers than the pistol used in the killing, as well as a tear gas pistol in his apartment on the day of the shooting. The prosecution also introduced Zackowitz's confession to police officers after he was arrested, in which he said that, before going to confront the men on the street, he had selected the .25 caliber pistol from among the various pistols in his apartment. The defense objected to the admission of the evidence of the other weapons, but the trial court admitted it. The prosecution argued that Zackowitz's possession of the other weapons proved his propensity to commit murder and supported a conviction for premeditated murder. The jury convicted Zackowitz of murder rather than of manslaughter. Zackowitz appealed to the New York Court of Appeals.